Hello, Jorge. How are you?
Hi Eliana, I'm fine, thanks.
Are you ready for our interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started. What is your name?
My full name is Jorge Andrés Ramirez Llanes.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Vigado, Antioquia.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes, I have. I have two children. Your names are Maria Paz and Julieta.
Who do you live with?
I live with my wife and my two children.
What are you studying?
I am studying industrial engineering at UNAD.
What are your hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are playing football, soccer, and watching TV.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work in Renault Sofasa as a supervisor.
Okay. Now, can you tell me about your working experiences?
I work at a Renault Sofasa since 2006. First, I worked as operator. Then, I was promoted as work operator senior, and finally, I work as supervisor.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I'm proactive. I have the skills of leadership and teamwork, and can adapt me quickly to any activity assigned.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
I am a control person. I think that it is my biggest weakness.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
My biggest achievement has been my family and everything I have built with them.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see gradually as industrial engineering and practice my profession in a big company
Okay. Where do you want to leave your job?
because I want practice and extend my knowledge, and I want to my quality of life
Okay. What do you want? What? Why do you want to work for us?
because I have all abilities that you are looking for, and because I know that this is a big company that can add a lot of knowledge.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation is around of 3 million pesos.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks.